Hey guys, we got an iPhone 2G right here, which you guys can see. Here, this is the 2G, 8GB. We're going to restore this thing to factory default. I know it's already factory default, you can see. Literally, this thing is like completely fresh install. But I'm doing it just for a video because I actually want to restore it again. And we're just gonna leave it right here. And I'm going to show a Mac display. Click it. There we go. And we got I'm going to plug in the USB cable, and you know, this thing takes 30 pin. Just gonna plug it in, just leave it right here. Let's grab my mouse, and I don't know why my mouse stopped working, but we can just use our trackpad, and just gonna click iPhone. There we go. So we're going to restore this thing. We're going to click restore iPhone. Also, this is a warning, this is not a tutorial, this is just a random video of me restoring a iPhone 2G. As you all know, the iPhone 2G was released in June of 29, 2007, and as the day I'm filming this, you can see it's 20th of June, so there's literally 9 days gap, and I guess my mouse not gonna work still, but we're just gonna use our trackpad anyways. And just gonna hit do not backup because literally this iPhone literally has nothing in it. I actually do want to restore this iPhone to its factory settings. Of course, restore, and there we go. You can see it's restoring right now. I mean, it doesn't show the loading thing. Guess I'm just gonna fast forward because literally no one going to wait for this. Yeah, there we go. Alright, there we go. Just show the iTunes thing. Oh, just notice show that white thing. There we go. Just start restore. We're just gonna speed it up, and there we go. The bar just load. Alright, there we go. It just finished restoring, and we're in the setup display right now. Let me just grab my SIM tray. And yes, this thing took big SIM, by the way. And got a old large SIM card size. Just gonna put it right here. And by the way, this thing is not locked to AT&T anymore, so that's why I can just put any SIM into this phone. Because maybe I should put the other SIM, because I don't use the SIM. I just use the other one. I know the SIM is like way too new, but I use the SIM a lot. More than that. Right now it says no SIM card install. Just gonna pop it in. It still say no SIM card install. Just gonna swipe. Let's show you guys. Well, I guess it's not showing up. I have to shut it down and turn it back on. And just do a snap thing. There we go. Just I have my SIM card right here. So this is just my secondary number. Alright, just gonna plug it in again. And alright, my mouse just started working. That's kinda strange. And there we go, just make a sound. Why it doesn't want to show up? Oh, there we go. Just showed up. Just make sure this thing just keeps turning on. Also, I'm kind of surprised, like this battery like 14 years old and it still works. I mean, like this thing lasts literally like a day. As you can see, it's showing up activating right now. It's on Edge. This iPhone uses Edge network. iPhone is activated, you're just gonna unlock it. And there we go. Set as new device because I just want to start as fresh. So edit home screen. Oh, I just want to read that. Just gonna hit dismiss. And there we go, fresh install. Looks like new. I can't even click anything right now, but yes, I have to unplug and plug it in and make a sound, you know, the iconic sound. There we go, it showed up. And let's see. Oh, it said that can't found. That's strange. We're just gonna click this, sync of them, and for some reason I can't sync. Yes, I have to do this. Currently be sync. I actually want to eject it. Yes, because for some reason I can't sync. Oh, it doesn't work anymore. Oh, there we go. Just gonna unplug it, plug it in again. There we go. Do it again. There we go. Sync. And I'm just gonna wait it sync. Alright, I see it looks like stop. Yes, but you can see the audio just transfer, which obviously the music, and there we go. The syncing is done. Let's see, does it transfer all my songs? There we go. You can see it just transfer all of them, which is good. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos. Bye.